App not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection is work properly. So after the process you will see your problem is not solved. Go to app library and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on reset network setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can app not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.